Hi, I'm Kemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, and the question goes thus. Any liquid that will be used as a thermometric liquid must have the following properties except. So it means that 3 out of these 4 given options are properties that are that any liquid that will be used as a thermometric liquid should possess. Okay, so in this case we're going to look at a particular liquid which is known and used as a thermometric liquid. Okay, so a mercury or any other liquid for that matter should have high boiling point. Okay, and mercury, for instance, has a boiling point of 357 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is high enough, therefore it allows the thermometer to be able to measure temperature as high as 357 degrees Celsius. Okay, good. Then another properties of mercury or any other liquid that will be used for thermometric liquid, thermometric that will be used as a thermometric liquid for that matter should have a low freezing point. And mercury, for instance, has a freezing point of minus 39 degrees Celsius, and this makes it suitable in a thermometer to record low temperature, although not very low temperature. Okay, good. Then the third property of mercury is that mercury is a good conductor of heat. Okay, good. So now let's go to the question and the answer options. And the liquid that will be used as a thermometric liquid must have the following properties except A. Have a low freezing point. Yes, it must have a low freezing point. B. Have a high boiling point. Of course, it should have a high boiling point. C. Be a good conductor of heat. Yes, this is correct. Then D. Have a high freezing point. Having a high freezing point could be like having a freezing point of minus 200 degrees Celsius. This is too high and it is not necessary in a thermometer. Okay, so the answer option is D, because it is not part of the properties that is required for any liquid that is going to be used as a thermometric liquid in a thermometer. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.